Okay, just skip the starting 40 minutes of the video because I thought that I will wrap it up in 10 minutes, but it took like 40 minutes. What I said in the video, I just said that how I used to study maths, physics, chemistry, social, and I think uh, you will get it like anywhere on YouTube and in very better way. And I think that the part was like totally boring, and I don't think anyone will like anyone will stay like till the last part of the video. So yeah, so skip the starting 40 minutes and just see the main part that I wanted to say you that I wanted to deliver you. It was like after 40 minutes I was discussing about like something on maths, so just see it. Okay, yeah, that's it. And now time is 12:31. Okay, great, bye. Okay, hello everyone. So today topic is like little bit out of box. So we are gonna discuss about the difference between routing out the subject, like just specifying the subject or the taking feel of subject. Okay, so mainly I am gonna give you like some examples of specifying it and just taking feel of subject. Okay, so I am gonna do this with like four examples of four subject. One is like maths, one is physics, and one is chemistry, and one is social. Okay, like in these four subjects, these four subjects, like one subject was like I used to hate the subject till my 12th standard, and that is chemistry. And social, I left it in 10th standard. And maths, physics, from childhood I'm just taking feel on it. Okay, so yes, I will like also I will share with you like some tips to how to study these topics. Okay, like how to study these subjects. So yeah, on maths I will discuss on last. On social, let's do it now. Like my sequence will be like first social, second chemistry, third physics, and fourth maths. Okay, so first let's discuss on social. So in social, what I used to do is like I used to not listen like ma'am's lecture, like or sir lecture. I just used to like imagine some things. So just 3-4 hours before exam, like if you remember, like in our school what they used to do is during the unit test time, like they used to conduct the exam at I think 10 or 11, and they used to give us 2 to 3 hours of time. Like before exam they used to give us 2 to 3 hours. I used to just study that 2 to 3 hours. So what I used to do, I used to just read out the total chapter, and what I used to do is I used to write the summary of the chapter in Hindi. Okay, like if you convert some content in from English to Hindi, just you get totally memorize it, like you can totally memorize that part. And if you are writing summary of some if you are writing summary of 10 pages in one page, then just uh, then then you can say that you are like very good at that. Okay, like you can memorize it like easily. Okay, so yeah, what I used to do is I used to write the summary of the chapter, and second I used to write the important names, like who is this Napoleon, and what you have done, like where you have invaded, and like this I used to write the main names, when he got born, when he got died, like this. I used to make one list of when they got born, when they got die, and what were their names. Okay, and they are related to which topic. And in second part I used to write the summary. Okay, in reading one chapter and writing the summary of it, it would take like maximum 30 minutes. And in the same pattern I used to do, like 3 chapters I used to make it, and 1 hour 30 minutes used to go in that. And in remaining 30 minutes, what I used to do is I used to just revise it once. Okay, and if I do that, like my what I am doing is I am converting into Hindi. That was giving me a benefit, like a plus point, because that was the reason that I can memorize it. And in exam, what I used to do is I used to just convert it into back into English, and I used to write it. So yeah, I used to use this method. And in social, I think max of the people use this method, and they get pass or full marks. So yeah, in this, like where is the feel? Okay, feel is knowing about a story. Okay, like because you can't change the history, right? Like you have to remember the history, but just the thing is how you are remembering it. Like you can't be like you are buttifying the line to line. You should just know the context of it. Like let's say Maharana Pratap. Okay, like Maharana Pratap was the first freedom fighter, and he fought some wars against the Mughal. The main war of the Maharana Pratap was Aldigati, and after Aldigati, he fought like small like 15 wars he have fought. And in that, like 2 to 3 were main. And in the last war, um, he got back his fort. And while fighting with one tiger at the age of 56 years, um, he got lost his life. So see, this was like summary of Maharana Pratap. Okay, and you can just like make it like bigger, and you can write it. Okay, so you just should in social, what you should know is, like what you should do is, you should just know the context, like what they want to tell you. Like just know the context, and just make it like just make it bigger and just write it. Okay, now let's come to chemistry. So in chemistry, what happen is, in chemistry, you have to remember so many things. Like you have to remember like so many basic parts. Okay, so chemistry is came from nature. Okay, like whatever elements that you get in nature, reading about that is chemistry. Okay, reading about it, discussing about it. Like we got 118 elements, so studying about the 118 elements is chemistry. So because like every element can't be the same, that is the reason that you get exception. And in physics is all about the imagination. And you are using that imagination in real life. And chemistry is is like the real, like that chemistry is like what you are getting from the nature. So some you will get like some exceptions. Just if you like study briefly about that, then you will get the logic behind it. Okay, like in chemistry, in organic chemistry, it is all about the reactions, like where you are breaking the atom and where you are like joining it. Okay, so if you are breaking some atom or if you are joining some atom, you should know about that atom. And to know about the atom, you have to just read the periodic table. Okay, so in my preparation time, what I have done is have remembered the periodic table. Like still I can't forget that. Let me show you something. Okay, so yeah. Okay, yeah, great. Okay, so periodic table, I just use a simple trick. I want to show you that. So see, what I've done is like so many numbers. Okay, first let me say you like how I have remembered this: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. This is the most basic, like everyone know this. let's start with this beryllium one. Okay, so I remember is like beta mange kas kota bapraji. It is like in the part in English you can make it like yours own. And like I used to make like mnemonics. Okay, and yeah, let's come to p like SPD. Okay, let's come to D block. So most of the people, what mistake they do is they remember it like from this to this part. Okay, like scooter teacher, school teacher very clear mange fish copy need copper zinc. Okay, like this they wrote it like in this way, but the correct way is like scooter amaloys. Okay, like in periods. Okay, why in column wise and why not row wise? The reason behind this, first of all, like in most of the chemistry, like in mainly in inorganic chemistry, this this sequence will help you out. Okay, not this sequence is like this sequence is not gonna help you out. This sequence will like most of the it will be helping you. Like see this this zinc, cadmium, and mercury. This sequence like help you a lot. Okay, and this sequence is like not gonna help you like that much. Okay, so this what I'm saying about, yeah, scooter MLO AC and teaser of Rakna. This is teaser of Rakna wo Nibata, criminal most wanted, Mantera Re, Ferruta Osmana bin Laden, क्यों राडा इटराई नी पढ़ोगे पीटोगे क्यों आगे आऊँ. And this I don't want to use it. And yeah, this bengan aloo gajar in Delhi. Okay, so whatever I've said you now, this scooter lama scooter yamala AC, you will not get it on like YouTube, like anywhere you are not gonna get it. You have to make it by your own. So this one is made by my own self. And or else I don't know if you get it on YouTube, but when I was studying, it was not on YouTube. Just search about it. Okay, and yeah, this part you will get from YouTube, and this part also you will get from YouTube. And yeah, in this sequence you will get it on YouTube, but the sequence that I have used, the it is like not available on YouTube. And that is the main problem, that like so many people face problems in chemistry. So if you want to master chemistry, just master the periodic table, just read about the elements, and then you can like go very you can do very great things in chemistry. Okay, and mainly just know in organic chemistry, know the basics of nomenclature, in general organic chemistry. Okay, and in inorganic chemistry, know about the periodic table, chemical bonding, and coordination in compounds. These three chapters are basics of inorganic chemistry. And physical chemistry, just mole concept and redox reaction. Okay, so these chapters are like basic chapters. If you read these basic chapters, like in this you have to buttify so many things. Okay, but if you just like remember this thing sign with some mnemonics or with some logic, like create your own logic. If you're not getting the logic, then in the remaining part you can like just take the feel of subject. Okay, I know if you want like total feel of subject, just give it time. Okay, um just give it if you like just remember things, you will take like 5 to 6 months of span to read total chemistry. Now if you want like total feel, if you want to read about every element, if you want where it came and how it came, how it got discovered and all, it can take like years. Like still so many professors or discovering about more elements, they are like reading over it and like this. Okay, or you can or it can take like some years. Okay, if you are just reading what we have, it can also take like 3 to 4 years. So my what I am saying is, in chemistry, just remember like two chapters in mole concept, redox action, one chapter nomenclature general organic chemistry, like 2 3 4, and 3 chapters in inorganic chemistry. In remaining part is like totally field. If you know these chapters properly, you can take field in adult chapters. Okay, like chemistry is like mainly connected with each other. Okay, if you study it in a proper sequence, then only you can get it, or else it will be looking like a subject that you have to buttify. Okay, so what people think is like you have to buttify this much part, but the reality is just you have to buttify this much part. Okay, this is the difference, and this difference also occurring just because it is took by nature. Okay, you're reading about the nature, so if you're reading about the nature, you have to remember like some things like let's say language. Okay, in language also, like we are remembering this many words. How we are doing this? We are doing this with practice. See, in the same way in chemistry you have to remember like little basics, then you can take feel of it. Okay, and physics is all about the imagination. Make your imagination greater, and then you can learn physics. Okay, so let's this was all about the social chemistry and physics. What I have like just experience about the subjects, I've discussed with you, and now let's discuss about the maths. Okay, in maths, like what I used to do is I am doing this from my sixth standard. Okay, so if sir used to say me like just remember this formula, then I used to be like I used to try to make it in the simplest way. Okay, like just say if he said me to remember a plus b whole square formula. Okay, so first what I used to do is I used to like I just remembered the bottomless rule. Okay, till sixth class I was like I still don't know how to add numbers, how to subtract numbers, how to divide numbers, how to multiply numbers. Okay, like till fifth standard I still don't know anything, and in sixth standard like I got in one sections there they just teased us how to do this all simple projects, like simple how to use this simple properties for 3 to 4 months. Okay, they just used to teach us how to add big numbers, how to subtract big numbers, how to multiply them, how to divide them. So like they gave us this formula. I don't know when I got it, but this is the best example to everyone, because everyone know about this. Okay, so what I have done is I have used the Bodmas rule. Okay, I have done I have proved it, like how why a plus b square is like a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, I have multiplied this with this, then with this and this. Okay, at last what I have got is a square plus ab plus ba and plus b square. Okay, and then I used to know that the rule that a into b is equal to b into a. Okay, that is the basic rule. And how I got this rule, I have just compared it with numbers. Okay, if I used to get like any confusion, what I used to do is I used to compare it with a number. Okay, like if it is like a into b is equal to b into a, I used to assign a number for a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. I used to multiply them. I used to get like 6. And if I am multiplying 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, I am getting like 6. Okay, 2 into 3, what it means? It means adding 2 for 3 times, and 3 into 2, what it means? Adding 3 for 2 times. Okay, so in both the cases, if I'm getting same numbers, they are equal, then we can add them. So I used to just add them, and I used to get like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So yeah, in maths, if I used to get like any complex formula or any bigger formula, I used to just concise it. Like I used to derive it. How I used to like find the I used to try to find the logic, like why we are getting this formula. Okay, so let's try like a little bit bigger one. Okay, let's try this. what what we can try, yeah, a plus b whole power n formula. So before going to this, one more formula I want to discuss, that is about like adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till 100. Okay, so yeah, when our cert is this formula, they just gave one formula as the it is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, and here n equal to 100, and just keep it and you will get it. Then what I've done is I've just took like starting 5 numbers. Okay, I took like 1 plus 2. Okay, one more thing, if you want to get any get derive any formula and you are not getting how to derive it, just compare it with some numbers and take it in like so many, take it in a very small value. Okay, first solve them in very small value and just apply the same thing in bigger one, and in just calculate it manually if you're correct or wrong, and if you're correct just use it. Okay, so what I've done is till 100, like I can't add numbers manually till 100. What I've done, I've compared it with 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 5. Okay, and this we can add in mind. Okay, so 7, 9, 10, 15. Okay, so when I've done this, I've got like one logic. If you're adding first number, and if you're adding like first number and last number, we are getting the same numbers. Okay, and the middle number, if there is any number which is in middle, it always be the dividend of 2. Like if you add this now, this will be always the average of addition of two numbers. Okay, so I've seen this logic. Okay, 1 plus 5 is like 6, 2 plus 4 is 6, and this is 3, and this become 15. And in the same way we are getting n into n plus 1 is 15. Okay, I got this. This is like just the best formula. Okay, now okay, so what he's doing is adding this one with this and is just multiplying it. So what I have done is I tried if this formula work for like can we do this with 2 to 5, like I've done like some experiments with that, but I can't, it is not coming in my memory what exactly I've done. So let it be now. So what I've done is I've saw one logic that we are adding first number with the last number and just we are adding it out. So okay, I got this, but I was not getting any proper logic. Okay, this is done, but it was like I can't compare this with this formula. Okay, so what I've done is I have took it equal to 5 into 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so 6 into 5, 30, 30 by 2, it is okay, it is like equal. Now what? Now okay, I was getting equal, but I was unable to find like a common logic. Okay, so I just tried. Okay, so I have to like 10. Okay, in 10 what I have seen is 11 is repeating like for 5 times. Okay, great, 11 is repeating for the 5 times. So like now I have took like 12. Okay, in 12 what I have noticed is I have noticed 13 is repeating 6 times. Okay, great, 13 is repeating 6 times. Then I have got this logic that this 6 is like if we divide this with 12, like if we divide 12 by 2 we get 6, and if we add 1 to 13 we will get like 6. So yeah, and the main logic, I think at that time what I've got is like, let me say you. So I've got this one. Let's take with 11. Okay, I've got like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 until 10. Okay, so what I've got is, I used to add this. I used to add like 9. Okay, like adding 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11, 3 4 5. Okay, great. So yeah, at that time I got this logic. So I've just saw that 11 is repeating like 5 times. Okay, 5 times, is it 5 times? Just yeah, it is 5 times. Okay, so at that time I got this logic that 11 is repeating like 5 times. Okay, so then at that time what I got is, this is like doing nothing, just it is adding the last number with 1. Okay, so one common thing what I've got is, it is adding the last number with 1. Okay, I will also add last number with 1. Okay, okay, now next what it is doing. Okay, this is like we are getting this like for 5 times, and in 12 we got this for 6 times, and in 5 we got like this for 2 times, and the third one was divided by 2 of this. Okay, so like I was like, still at that time I was not so sure about this. Okay, so I tried it with that, with like 13, with 14, with 15, till I counted it like manually till 20. I was not confirmed about this formula, but I don't want to make this video like so long, so I'm just saying you I got this logic. Okay, so with this logic I have derived this formula. Okay, so first I have got this n plus 1 logic, and then I got this logic that what number we are multiplying, like what we are multiplying with this n plus 1. Okay, we are multiplying like n by 2. Like whenever I used to derive any formula, what I used to do is, I used to not memorize the formula, I used to take the problem statement. Okay, so what the problem statement is here. The problem statement is, just add 1 to 100 numbers. Okay, okay, and after doing this, I tried that, can we add like 2 to 100, can we add like 3 to 100. Yeah, then I thought, okay, we can try, or if we can add like 1 to 10, 1 to 5, why can't we add like 2 to 100, 3 to 100. Then uh, then I don't exactly remember that what I've done at that time, but I think I would have done this. Okay, so I took again 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, and adding these two numbers, and adding these two numbers like 7 7 14. So 5 plus 2 is like 7, and 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 into 2 is 14. Okay, great. 5 Now what else we can do? Let's take a big number. Okay, let's take with 2 to 10. Okay, if you are taking 2 to 10, 10 plus 12 is 12, and the remaining number is 5, and 6. 10 plus 12 is 12. 5 plus 7 6. Okay, 12 till 6, like 2 3 4 5 is 48, 54. Okay, we are getting like 54. You can do it like simply add 10 to 1 and subtract with 1, but okay, in this way I got like 54. So what I was 54 means what, like we are getting 54. So 54 is not a multiple of 12, right? So 54 we are getting like 12 into 4 plus 6. Okay, so I tried to get one logic behind this. Okay, So what was the like here we got like 9 numbers. 9 is a odd number, so there will be a remaining number and remaining all will be even. Okay, so here I got one common logic that uh, okay, first let try with 11, then I will be like so sure about this. So okay, let's add with 11. Okay, if we add one more number 11, we will get like 54 plus 11 is 65. Okay, 65 is great. 65 is the multiple of 13 into 5. Okay, I got it. So what I've done at that time is at that time I got this logic that we are adding uh, plus 2 to this number and minus 1 to that number. Okay, like I got this formula at that time, and I thought that I have only derived this formula, but it was not like that. So yeah, I've got this m plus 2 into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, at the time I got this formula. So whenever I used to like get any problem statement, I just used to like do some experiments with that. Okay, if this problem not be like this, if this problem becomes this, how we will solve that. Okay, by doing this I used to get like more knowledge about this, more clarity about this. So okay, I got the formula, great, but I was not getting the logic behind it. Okay, like I was like little bit struggling with the formula that I've got now. Okay, so I got this logic that we have to add first number and last number. Like okay, first number is 2, last number is n. Okay, then I have not got the logic that with what number we have to multiply it. Okay, like n minus 1, why we are multiplying with n minus 1. So at that time what I have assumed is like uh, now what we are doing is uh, we are just subtracting the first number. Okay, then I have thought, okay, let's see what happens with m plus 3. Okay, like if we will do like 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, what we will get. Like I've done that experiment. Okay, now I'm not gonna do again that. Okay, let's try only last what I've done with 3. Okay, like let me say you till what number I've done this, till 5 I've done this at that time, and I've thought that this formulas are not derived. I have derived that at the time I taught this. So yeah, so okay, let's make it like 6. Okay, 3 to 6, I have just done what I've done is 3 to 6 is like 9 into 2, 18. Okay, great, 18. So n plus 3 and n minus 4. No, actually, okay, n minus 2 by 4. Actually, sorry, by 2. Okay, this simply. So how I got this one, I've just compared it with my last experience. So now here I got like more confused. Okay, so I got one logic that we have to add first number and last number, great. Then I was not getting that logic that why always subtract. Okay, here again I got like one more point out, like whenever here is like one number, here it is like n minus 0. If add this number, if we make it like n plus 2, it will become n minus 1. If we make it n plus 3, uh, it will be like n minus 2. If we make it n plus 4, it will become n minus 3, and if we make it n plus 5, it will become like n minus 4. So with this logic I've got like I've cracked it. Like I thought that at that time I thought that I cracked this, like this logic I have not gone by anything, and after doing this part I've just showed to my teacher, and my sir have said no, you already got this. So let me show you like something yeah, in my channel where it is. Okay, see this. So yeah, at that time I also taught to write this, like, see. Yeah, see, well, when I was in 7th standard I created some formulas. So yeah, that it was that time. And at that time I thought that this was the one of the formulas that I have derived with my own. Okay, I have not like created it, but yeah, at that time I thought that I have created it. So yeah, uh, let's come to the main topic. So main topic is, how do you study maths? Just maths is all about this using formulas to solve the complex problems. Okay, whatever the complex problem may be, it may be any problem of physics, it may be any problem of related to the real world, or any problem related to the coding part, like any clearing, like solving any big problem is maths. Okay, like let's take integration. What is integration? Integration is addition of very small numbers. Okay, what is differentiation? Is differentiation is calculating about the small numbers, like calculating like 0.00001. Okay, calculating out this. And in maths, like in normally we have like only three dimensions, like, but in maths you can like calculate like 6 dimensions, you can calculate 12 dimensions, 13 dimensions. Like maths is um, like ocean that you can't, the deep ocean. Maths and physics, yes, maths and physics both are the subjects like are very deep oceans. Yeah, like you have to just study about it. In physics we got quantum mechanics, and in maths we got integration or differentiation. Like in integration, like still we have like so many things to get find out. Like still there are like so many problems that we can't solve at after going at one end. Like we have to make it, that we have to make give the statement that yeah, only we can solve it only till here, and more we can't solve it. So yeah, in integration also there are like so many things to get discovered. And the pi value, it is also another word, it is related to circle. Okay, and that's the reason we got the formula of pi r square. Okay, like there are so many things to find out, there are so many things to derive now in math and physics, as well as like you can study maths just by solving how to, just by knowing how to solve the complex problem. Okay, if you are getting any complex statement, if you just know how to solve it, you know the maths. Okay, like let me solve one more problem. Like let's try this, if I can derive this or not, because okay, so yeah, this is like not derived by me. This I've learned from sir, but the sir have teach me like so well that still I remember this. A plus b whole power n. Okay, if I take any power like n, this is like summation of r equal to 0 till n, and ncr into a power n minus r into b power r. Okay, this is the formula, and this is the upgraded version of Pascal's triangle. If anyone don't know about the Pascal's triangle, for them 1 1 1 1, and just add on like this to n numbers and write it here. 1 to 1, 1 plus 2 3, and 1 2 plus 1 3, and 1, 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 1 4, and 1 1. So go on this, and this is and this is like a plus b, this is for a plus b whole power 4, this is for a plus b whole cube, for whole square, for a plus b. Okay, so just go on like but the problem with this statement is like till how much you will like calculate. So this is the upgraded version of this. Okay, so yeah, it is upgraded version, but how we got this, the logic behind this. So finding like to be frank, I have like derived it, but to derive it like yeah, I can also derive it now, but it will like take it will take me like nearly to 1 hour to derive it with explaining you it to you. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, like I got one actual formula, like I got one simple aptitude question just to explain you how to derive, like how to solve a complex problem. So I will explain you that. Just let take it like some other day. Okay. So yeah, like I have so much discussed about math is all about the solving a complex problem and making it simple, and just remember the simple part. Okay. So where you can apply it, where you can apply these things. So in quadratic equation, let's take quadratic equation. In quadratic equations you have to not do anything, you have to just know about the sum of roots, the product of roots, and the theorem. Like there was a theorem, x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, this was theorem of like he was a Indian, I'm not getting his name. Okay, leave it. In quadratic equations you just know these three topics, the quadratic equation chapters is just done. And in binomial theorem, I think, yeah, the things that I've seen you that said you just know. And sequence and series is just getting just knowing about the sequence, or what type of sequence it is. Like, is it like geometric mean, like what you are using over this, it is like arithmetic, or it is like in geometric, like what is mean of arithmetic, like you have to find like some logic behind that. Okay, like let's take some example. Okay, so let's, okay, in arithmetic, like I forgot the name actually. So if I add like 1 plus 3 plus 5, like this, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 till 100, like this is very basic one. And like, okay, this is the problem you got. How do you add this is just the thing. So yeah, what is the common difference? Common for this you have got, yeah, I got it now. First, for this you have got like one formula. This is like n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 n minus 1 into d. Just this, I got it. Okay, what is d over here? D is common difference, n is the n number, a is the first number, no, n is the number of terms actually, yeah, number of terms, and a is the first number. Okay, first number is 1, just keep it 1. 50 minus 1 is 49. 49 into 2, 2 will get cancelled, and 51 into 49 is 9, 459. And okay, wait a minute, 459. Okay, I will not calculate it in mind, but okay, let's say what the 49 into 51, right? Okay, 9 459, and 51 is 204. Okay, 2599. Okay, 2599. I don't know. Let's take a calculator and calculate it out. Yeah, so what was it? 50 oh sorry, I have done one mistake actually. It was like 50. Okay, I took it as 51. Okay, wait a minute. 50, and n minus 1 is 49. Okay, 49 into 50, right? Yeah, it is like so simple. 49, or if you want, like, wait a minute, just give me a minute. 2. 2 will get cancelled. Okay, 50 40 9 plus 2 51 into 50. Okay, okay. 5 2 5 5 255. Okay, 2550 is the answer. Okay, wait a minute. 50 into 51 is 2550. Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, we want to add 1 to. I can make a mistake because I have studied it like 7 to 8 months back. We want to add 1 to 100. We have common difference 2. Oh, it is taking like 99. No, I don't want that. N equal to 50. Okay, this was like correct. Okay, it have done one mistake. It is took like last term as 99, but it is like not 99. The last term is okay. I have also done one mistake. Actually, the first thing that I have calculated is was correct. Okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Got it. Wait a minute. No. If it is like common difference 2, we can't get like year 100. We will get like 101. Okay. Yeah, this was the thing. Great. Thank you, ChatGPT just saved me. Last term is 101. Yeah, let's see if it becomes like 101, the terms will like become 51 and 51 2601. Okay, 51 into 51 will 2601. Okay, leave it. A small mistake, but the formula was correct. Okay, formula was correct. I have done a small mistake, and also you can keep it as like n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, this is like more simple, but sometimes in question they don't give you the last term, and just finding out the last term is become a headache. So this is like little bit more convenient. In this you just should know about the a. Okay, so what is last term? Last term is just nothing. It is just a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, the logic behind it, just you find it out. Okay, so yeah, this is the one. And few days back I was in my class, and okay, let's get on main topic. I started making with this video just to discuss on this, and just to get on it, how much time it I took? 47 minutes. Yeah, so yeah, it took like me 47 minutes to get on the main topic. Okay, so let's start it. So our main topic is while I was in a glass, the glass was, I think it was like English glass. Okay, so in this glass, I got like I got one question, and this question, like I've saw this question like somewhere. Okay, like if you have prepared some time like for any aptitude test, nowadays in the entrance exam of these modern schools, they are asking you the aptitude, and also in BTech fourth year, in round 1 interviews of your jobs, you can get like aptitude questions, so it is related to that. Okay, so what was the question? So question was like, if it is equal to 5, so how much this will be? Okay, so let me say first about this. So what is this 5? 5 is like how many squares it have. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, it have like 5 squares. Okay, Yeah, it may be looking like a rectangle, but it is a square. Just imagine it as a square. Okay. So here we have like 1 square, 2 square, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, 10 or 11, 12, 13, and one bigger one is equal to 14. Okay, after like this I have counted manually. Okay, so I have took like I have solved this like in this way I have solved like if into this is like 3 into 3. I have solved it like till 6 into 6. I have counted how many squares you are getting. Okay, so while solving this I've noticed something that uh, this is like sum of squares. Okay, I don't know this 14 is correct or wrong, but I've got one formula for this. This is like if it is in 3 into 3, we have to do this 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 13 plus 1 is 14. Okay, 14 we got correct. So yeah, so the difference between butifying, just sorting it out, and just taking the field is this. I would have seen you the directly formula that if you want to know how many squares in this table is just it is the sum of squares from 1 to number of like how much like if it is in like 3 into 3 form, it is like 1 square to 3 square, and if it is like 4 into 4, it is like 1 square to 4 square, and if it is 5 into 5 form, 1 square to 5 square. I would have sent you that. Okay, I would have said you that, but no, I don't want to make you wrote it out. So I will tell you logic that how I got this formula. Like I have got the logic behind this. Like why we are adding like 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, and I will show you the magic of maths that everything have like some logic. Okay, just we think that it don't have any logic, but no, it have some logic. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Um, so the logic behind this is okay. Actually, I also got forgot. So let's derive it again. Okay, great. So how I have derived. At first I tried to find some logic in this one. Okay, I'm getting like one. Okay, one, and 2 into 2 form how many like how many squares are like in 1 into 1 form. 1 square, 2 square, 3, 4. Okay, there are 4 squares in 1 into 1 form, and there is 1 square in 2 into 2 form. Okay, so let's take a bigger example. I hope this part is okay. Let me make it like okay, great. Yeah, so let's take a square in this, and yeah, so now let's make it 3 into 3 1 1. Okay, in this first let's calculate how many there are 1 into 1. Like there are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 9 squares in 1 into 1 form. Okay, now let's calculate how many squares are in 2 into 2 form. 2 into 2 means 2 centimeters from here to here, 2 centimeters from here to here, 2 centimeters. So this square is 2 into 2 form, this square is 2 into 2 form, this square is 2 into 2 form, this square is 2 into 2 form. So we got like 4 squares that are in 2 into 2 form. So let's take this in 2 into 2 form. So yeah, I started just making it like simple. I just started breaking it into parts. Okay, in maths if you want to learn anything, just break it in small parts. Okay, so yeah, 3 into 3 is 1, so 9 plus 4 plus 1 is 14. So here we got our 14. Okay, so now let's take 4 into 4 1. Okay, So for 4 into 4 we will take like, okay, great. I hope 1 2 3 and okay, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, great. So yeah, we got our 4 into 4 boxes. Okay, this will be like leaking. This is like getting more insane, more tougher. Like how we will calculate this out. Yeah, we will. So like we got like 16 squares over here. So you can just by saying you can say like 1 into 1 or 16. Okay, 1 2 for you calculating 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 into 4 16. Okay, so 16, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 16. Okay, so now let's see 2 into 2. So till here I got one large logic. What the logic is, this is 2 into 2. Again we have to just remove 1 centimeter, like we have to remove this one and we have to add this one. Okay, if this is 2 into 2, this is 1 2 into 2, this is 1 2 into 2. So in this line we got like 3 2 into 2 boxes. Okay, 1 2 3. So let's calculate out in this sequence. In this also I got like 1 2 3. Then what I've done is I got this, that we are just multiplying this part into this part. Like we are doing, what we are doing is we are we are adding 3 for 3 times. I got like till here I got this logic. So I got it that, and this 16 also is like in the same way, like we are doing 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and we are adding like this for 4 times. So I also got this, that we are also doing like 4 for 4 times, 3 for 3 times, and like 2. This is like this all things are like 2 into 2 square. Now for 3 into 3 square, like I think till now you have noticed that what I'm trying to say you. Okay, like this you have to like find some logic, find some sequence or some logic while solving it. Okay, if you're like, if you got like any complex problem, like if you got like 100 into 100 squares, okay, like this grid system, and you want to calculate how many squares you can get in that, so you can use like this formula. Okay, and now I will also say you how to add like square of numbers. Okay, the formula, if I was not wrong, it was like n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 6. Okay, I will also tell you the logic. I will try to tell you the logic. I will try to derive it, but um you derive it. Okay, because already it became like 1 hour, and I also thought that today at the same night I will um wait a minute. Okay, great. Okay, at the same night I will also make one video on Python. Okay, so I also want to make a video on Python, so I also want time for that. Okay, so adding squares, you just derive it. So yeah, for like 3 into 3 squares, 3 into 3 square means this one, this square. Okay, this for like 4 2 3 and 4. I just hope you can see it. Okay, okay, let me this part. Okay, wait a minute, I will show you. Okay, 3 into 3 means I am talking about this part. Okay, this is 3 into 3 square. Okay, this is a 3 into 3 square, and this is a 3 into 3 square, and this is a 3 into 3 square. Okay, and you will not get any other 3 into 3 square. Okay, just try it out. Can this will become a rectangle. This I have said about this, just try it out. If you get like anything else, So 3 into 3 squares, we got like, how many we have got 3 into 3 squares? We got 4 3 into 3 squares, and 4 into 4 is only 1. So till now I've got this logic that we are adding just the square of numbers. Okay, this is like 2 square, this is 1 square, this is 4 square, this is 3 square. Okay, I just want to make it like confirm. Okay, so what I've done is I've done it like okay, like we can't edit this square now. Okay, let's try to make 5 into 5 in this one. Okay, so 2 3 4, yeah, wait a minute, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, great. So we got like 5 into 5 squares. So till now I've got that we are adding the square of numbers, but with this last one I just want to make it sure that are we really adding the square of numbers, or just I'm assuming it, like just by taking like 4 examples. So I just want to make it sure. So what I've done is like till now I've got that this 1 into 1 square are like e of 5, e of 5, 25. Okay, now let's calculate 2 into 2. 2 into 2 means this part. Okay, this part, and this is 1 2 into 2, this is 1 2 into 2, this is 1 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 we got like 4 squares. So in the same way, this 4. So here also like 4 into 4, 16. Okay, 4 into 4, 16. Now let's see 3 into 3. So this is like 1, and this is 2, this is 3. Okay, this is like 3, and now let's see in this way. Okay, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. Again here 3 into 3. Okay, so now let's see 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 is here this one part, this part is getting left over, and in second square this part will be left over, and for the third square this part will be left over, and for the fourth square this part will be left over. Okay, so this will be also like 2 into 2, and the last square will be 1. Okay, so yeah, till now I got this formula that if you are like solving how many squares we got in this type of photo, this is the formula for that. Okay, so yeah, I don't think that anyone will discuss like in books you will get like this types of formula, like calculate the number of boxes. But yeah, in future, like in Python, or in any coding, like in any questioning, in any like let's say in any interview, like for the aptitude part, they can give you a problem statement and they can say you to solve it. So for solving a problem statement, you should know how to simplify it, okay, like you have to just concise it, like you have to take a very small part of it. Okay, you have to make it like very concise, and you have to solve it first. Like let's say in question, just say let's say like in future you got like 100 into 100 grid. Okay, 100 into 100 grid, this they asked you to calculate the number of squares in this 100 into 100 grid. How you will calculate? Okay, so what you will do is first you will take this 2 into 2 grid. Okay, 2 into 2 grid, you will calculate how many squares are in this, then 3 into 3, then 4 into 4. Till now you will get one logic, and you will make sure that this logic is correct or not by applying it on 5 into 5, and if you get this logic you will apply it on 100 into 100. Okay, bro. I will apply it in on 100 into 100, but how you will add like these numbers 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square till 100 square. Okay. So for this we got this formula, very beautiful formula, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 6. Okay, I don't remember that this formula is correct or wrong, so just let's check it. The formula for sum of squares, it is, yeah, it is here, and yeah, it is like correct. Okay, the formula I gave is like totally correct. Just, oh no, it is like 2n plus 1. I have made it n plus 2. Yeah, it is like little bit wrong. Okay, actual formula is 2n plus 1. I made it n plus 2, and I was like getting correct answer. Okay, like, yeah, okay, so I made one mistake. It is like actually 2n plus 1. Okay, see, I just don't verify formulas. I just derive it on the spot actually. Okay, so yeah, it is like n into n plus 1. Sorry for the mistake I made. So yeah, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the actual formula. Just apply the value over here, keep it here 100 and here 101, and here 100 into 2 to 200. 200 plus 1 is 201. 201 by 3 is this. Okay, where were we? Yeah, n plus 1 to n plus 1. Okay, just keep like 100 here. 100 into 100, 101 plus 201. 201 means this will multiply with 3, and 3 will get like cancel. 67 into 50 into 101. Okay, this became a tough calculation. Can we calculate it out? Yeah, we can, but leave it. So yeah, this was my from my way, and I think this will be like my second smallest video. Like, still I started making videos, so my last video was 1 hour 30 minutes, before that 3 hours, and it became the duration of how much it is, 1 hour 10 minutes. Okay, but yeah, my main motive was just discussing about the square part, and before that I have discussed about the social part, physics part, chemistry part, math part, and yeah, I have discussed about so many things, but the main part was started at day 47 minutes. So let's calculate it out. Like, main part I have calculated 50 plus 10 17 20 minutes. I've just main video part was of only 20 minutes, and the remaining 47 minutes I've just talked like this. Okay, no problem. So what I'm doing now, I'm just waiting that this timer becomes like for 1 hour 10 minutes. I think you can see over here. Yeah, yeah, this one. Okay, this one I'm just waiting here. And yeah, my favorite part. What is time? Wait a minute. Time. my alarm. With this you can say that it is like 12 in my. Okay, wait a minute. So it is 11:59 p.m. I hope you can see this part. My screen would be like coming here, and yeah, you can see it. So it is like 11:59 p.m. Okay, it is just gonna become like 12 soon. So yeah, it is 12 p.m. and now I'm gonna start recording one video on Python. I don't know I will record it today or tomorrow. If I will record it tomorrow today, yeah, it will like great. It will be great. Yeah, the time is not too well. The time became, yeah, 12 a.m. You can see over here 12 a.m. perfect timing. Yeah. So with this, I'm closing the video, and the main part is starting at 47 minutes, and 47 minutes I just discussed like this. After completing this, I will be watching my video that what I've discussed like 47 minutes. I also don't know exactly what I've discussed. I have to see it once. I have to give it a review that what actually I've discussed like 47 minutes continuously. Actually, continuously I was speaking from last 1 hour 10 minutes, but the 47 minutes is like insane. Have let me summarize it for you. I've just said social. Read the make it a summary. Physics, imagination, all about imagination. Chemistry is nature. Some things you have to remember, and some things you can get feel and get logic. And if you don't want to remember, become a scientist and just discover things. And in fourth, it was maths. Maths is just concise it. Just try to use some formulas, and okay, do it whatever you can do with it. And yeah, 1 hour 11 minutes. I'm closing